Hello, I am Aviva Lee, reporting live in Jerusalem from room 552 for Israel 24/6 TV. Today is Wednesday, the 14th of February 2008. This edition of Fact Without Commentary is a recap of the several actions of the sovereign state of Israel to terrorism while I was on vacation over the past several days. On the 8th of February 2008, the official spokesperson for the Israel Defense Force notified the press that a senior terror operative known as Mr. Amar Karmut was hit during an aerial military operation against terrorism conducted on the 4th of February. Mr. Karmut was responsible for, and I quote, a massive number of rocket launchings, end quote. In that same report, it was stated that on the 5th of February, a similar aerial military operation, coordinated and carried out by the Israel Defense Force, struck a post of the Hamas terrorist organization in the southern Gaza Strip. It was reported that in that attack 7 Hamas operatives died. And on the 6th of February, in northern Gaza, the sovereign state of Israel carried out a renewed military operation against those operatives within Gaza, launching those many Qassam rockets and mortars into Sderot and the surrounding region. During that operation, the soldiers charged with protecting the sovereign state of Israel and her citizens discovered Qassam launching silos which were 2 meters underground. It was also reported that during that military operation, the soldiers identified hitting several hostile combatants with fire from the air and from the ground. Concurrent with those operations, aerial attacks were conducted and carried out. During those operations, 2 Hamas locations, 1 a weapons manufacturing site, and 2 a weapons warehouse, 1 in central Gaza, 1 in southern Gaza, were specifically targeted, respectively. It is no secret that hundreds of rockets were launched into the sovereign state of Israel from the Gaza Strip during the time period prior to the border fence being damaged and the general population leaving Gaza for Egypt, and of course now they are traveling back and forth. That concludes this edition of Fact Without Commentary, and I wish to thank Media Central for the use of their offices for the broadcast of this show. Please do join me later today for a second recap of the responses of the sovereign state of Israel to terrorism since that border fence was damaged. That edition will specifically include comments of Foreign Minister Tzipi Livni. And I am Aviva Lee, reporting live in Jerusalem from room 552 for Israel 24/6 TV. And to all of you lovers, hopeful and would-be lovers, if you celebrate February the 14th as a day of love, I extend my personal wish that you receive good in your every good endeavor on behalf of true love. Thank you, and shalom. Good day.